4 napkin folds for Valentine's Day. The rose. Fold your napkin into a triangle, and then you're going to take the long flat end and roll that up. You're going to want to leave a few inches that you do not roll, and then take this part and roll that all the way up. Tuck the end into the last layer of the roll, and then take these loose corners and wrap them around your rose. There's the rose. The heart. Fold both the bottom and the top of your napkin into the middle, and then fold this in half. Place one finger at the top middle, and then pull both of those sides down. Flip over your napkin. Place your finger about halfway down there and pull the upper outside corner down. Repeat on the other side. You can tuck those in there. Flip the napkin back over, and then you're going to tuck in the upper outside corners to round out the heart. There's the first version of the heart. Now here's another one. Fold your napkin into a triangle, and now you're going to accordion fold from the top down, and once you get near the end, pinch the middle and bring both edges of the accordion fold up, and then you're going to twist and tuck that underneath. There's a second heart. Now an envelope for those that want to write a love letter. Again, fold it into a triangle. Bring each of the outside corners into the middle. Fold those same edges in towards the middle. And now you're going to bring the bottom, fold that up, and then bring this top triangle flap over. There's the envelope. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give this a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and subscribe for more content like this.